Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create and send your first Evite on the Evite website. So the first thing you have to do is to create an account on Evite and go into the section you want, click on it. If you want to design a kids birthday party, you can click on the kids birthday party section and click on any of the themes or characters or milestones for the particular design you want. So once you click on it, it should appear sorry should appear this way. Now from this you can choose what you want. Let's assume I want to design something like this. Okay, let me choose this. I can click on it and then click on keep it basic. So I'm done, it would bring me to a different page where I can edit it properly. So from this we can see it's a Minecraft card. So since we do not have the premium, this will be unlocked for us. So we can just click on this text. We are invited to, you can edit it to your choice, but since I don't want, I'll just put ellipsis and then edit every other text I want. Liam's 8th birthday. You can choose the different text style. You can also edit the time and place. So once you're done, click on next event details, and this will take us to where we can input our location and time for the events. So once we are on this page, you can add the title of your text of your event here. Let me say Liam, and you can add the date. Let me just choose June. Let me say yes, July, 6 p.m. So let's put it maybe 12:15, and then you can change your name here. You can also add guest of honor, add co-host, and choose location and choose all the uh necessary or select all the necessary items you need to. Then click next to gifting. If you do not want to gift, you can choose a different, you can just skip this particular section and go to the next one, which would be reviewing your event. So once you're on this section of gifting, you can just scroll down. If you want a gift, you can add a wish list, you can add a gift guide, but since we do not want that, we would click on next just to review our documents or our invitation card. So once we have reached this final um, review page, all we have to do is just to go through everything and make sure it's in order. And once it's in order, we'll click on finish and add guests, and then our events would be saved and would be sent out to the appropriate people. So this is how to actually send your first invite. Thank you very much and do have a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, guys, let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more informational content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.